Hello guys, Mehul back again with another new video, and I have been using Figma for so long now, but still I didn't have any idea that this exists. So basically Figma have on their site a whole section about learning design. Yes, they have a whole not only one page, like multiple contents dedicated to learning design in their site, and I never knew that. How can it be possible? Yeah, I know Figma has like their YouTube channel where they teach a lot of thing about using Figma, but I had really never any idea about this also exists. So let's do one thing today. Let's discover what are they offering in these design course. Not, it is not a course actually, it's all like small format, but let's see what we have today. Okay, so you will get all of your resources in this section, like Figma slash resources slash learn design. Obviously links will be in the description, so no problem regarding that. So here we have 12 lesson regarding design, and 5 exercises also. Okay, reducing complexity, design brief mood, designing a CV or resume, and all of it goes like a simple like blog format. Okay, and here we will get all of those things. Wait, let go through a lessons first. Okay, so from this lesson section, let's go to hierarchy. Okay, and in hierarchy section, yeah, we have visual examples of what is hierarchy: establishing a focal point, creating hierarchy through contrast. Actually those things are not too big, to be honest. Like uh, how many minutes it would take to cover? Yeah, 6 minute reads, simple 6 minute reads, and you know what to, like what to look for. Those are basically like blog format content, not content, contents which you can follow to get knowledge about. If you are a some kind of a person who like to learn from blogs, okay, learn from documentation, then it's really great for you. And here they are actually explaining a lot about it, like if or e patterns are generally used for forms and dashboards or text dense pages like this article, blog post. Oh my god, they are really like taking it seriously. They have explained a lot of things. Zigzag pattern of hierarchy, yeah, they have taken a lot of things into consideration. And if I go to other courses, let's see some other courses. Storytelling would be a big thing. Accessibility, let's go on typography as well. Let's see what they have included here. Okay, picking a typeface. Okay, Google Fonts, we can see that over here. Then accessibility, yeah, they have talked about this also. AA large, a ratio of at least 3.0 is the smallest amount of contrast. They have explained the ratios as actually, oh ho ho, actually these are the all of those accessibilities regarding A11Y guidelines, I think. Yeah, so these are all of those guidelines that you should follow when you are designing something. Okay, and it has like all of those gradings, double A and triple A grading. So, and all of those grading has certain parameters to it, like you have to maintain some certain contrast ratio to achieve that, and they have explained all of those over here. That is a really great thing. Then customizing fonts, yeah, okay. Kerning, yeah, they have taught you about kerning. Okay, leading as well. Okay, okay, we can see that. We can see that sizes, obviously, details, a lot of. I don't know. I don't want to go through all of this right now. Yeah. Then what we have? Yeah, alignments. Okay. And customer customization. Wow. It's a feature rich, like a totally documented type kind of a thing. Okay. So yeah, that's basically about it, about this like whole lesson session. I don't know. Maybe like whole learning section. They have a lot of useful content, to be honest. And wait, let's go to the CV moment again. Okay. And here what we can see, yeah, they have provided you the template file to get started with. Then you can follow. I think there is nothing to follow along. You should like make it on your own, or they have included it. Okay, design your CV. Let's see. CV, design your CV. CV, design your CV. CV, design your CV. Where is the complete product? There is nothing, right? Oh, okay. And you have instructions over here to complete it. And this is most probably a 30-minute task. They have like also mentioned that as a overview and hierarchical gain, and from which lesson they are like telling you to do it. They have also mentioned that over here. Wow. And you have a further read as well. So yeah, it's a great platform to learn design basics. Yup. If you are some kind of a person who like to have a documented knowledge, like prefer to learn from a documented kind of thing, or like pay book or text or whatever, what you will say, I don't know. I am some kind of person who will like to like learn from videos a lot. That's why I follow video a lot. But still, this is a course that is actually useful. Not a course, this is something that is actually useful. But to be honest, few days ago I have shared one of the design courses. I think, yeah, that was a full design course, a documented design courses. That is UX, like user experience database. Yeah, UX UX database. So it has all of it in their like uh, in their product design course. They have a lot of things. Okay, so they really have a lot of things. So from here, I think you will learn better. But if you are just starting out, or if you wanna like get back to some of the things that you have forgot, or like really little things, or like first of all, when you are starting out, and like when someone is starting out, if you wanna guide them, you can show them this. But if he or she gonna full loan, like he learn full loan thing, then obviously redirect them to this, because this make more sense to them then. Okay, like, yeah, curriculums, this makes more sense. Obviously this makes more sense because these have more contents over here rather than this. So yeah, that was my take on this Figma's learning lessons, like that they are providing over here. Go through it, let me know which one will you prefer more, this one or this one. Okay, let me know about it. And yeah, that's it, that's about it. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up, and like share it, comment down below, do whatever, boost the YouTube algorithm. And if you know about some of the great resources that are freely available like this, please let me know about them as well, so I can feature them in my future video. So bye for now.